Hey guys, your girl Tahiti here with Beauty and the Kinks, and I am off to an extremely late start. It is 5 o'clock on Saturday afternoon, and yeah. So this morning, well, did I capture anything I made last night? I'm not sure. Came home last night. No, went to the grocery store yesterday, and the hubby wanted some fried snapper, so I did that last night. It was really good. Woke up this morning because we went to bed really late. And I think we woke up maybe around 10:30. Didn't really make breakfast till around 11:30, 12. Had some blueberries and blueberries. We had some blueberry waffles and bacon, and then I got the itis and I fell asleep. And so now I'm up. I just got done giving Lola a bath, so she is fresh and clean. I'm about to groom, just get ready myself. Basically take this as a care day. I already have the water running from my shower. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna try some new products from Mielle Organics. I'm gonna wax because I have a beard coming in, y'all. I am not ashamed. I used to be so ashamed of female facial hair, but it's a thing, and I'm normal just like any other woman, and I might have it a little thicker than anybody else or other people, but it is what it is. I get rid of it. I wax. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wax my facial hair, my eyebrows, and see what I can edit and film today. So let's go. All right, so let's talk about how I just burnt the crap out of my hand, and the fact that I tried doing my grooming video for the second time and my memory was full and I didn't know. Like, I have been trying to put content out there, and this is so frustrating because I get in these moods where, okay, I'm like, let's do it, let's get ready to work. And so I'm ready to work, and then something just happens. Like the last time I did it, and I'm working with wax. And when I say groom, like I said before, it's like, you know, waxing my facial hair and my eyebrows. So I'm working with hot wax. I don't have one of the warming stations. So I need to do what I need to do on the go. I'm warming up my pellets or my little beads in the microwave. So I can't have it harden on me. So I'm like, the first time I just didn't realize I wasn't recording. The second time I didn't have enough memory, so it literally only showed me applying wax to one small tiny area, and that's it. I'm just like super frustrated because I wanted to groom, I wanted to do my hair, I wanted to do all this stuff for you guys, and I'm just here with a burnt ass hand. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see that it's burnt. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but this really hurts. That's why I'm like holding a thing of ice. It's really bad, guys. It's really bad. I'm just gonna sit my ass down for right now, and hopefully my hand feels better and I can wash my hair and just do. I feel so sad right now. I feel so sad. I really wanted to get stuff done, but it's not looking like it's in my favor right now. So yeah, whatever. All right, guys, so I am doing a I guess an inverted apple pie. See, what had happened was, anyway, so what had happened was I've been going through a lot these last couple weeks, I want to say actually last month, just with family members being sick, a lot of things being out of my control, just trying to deal with all this sensitive stuff that's going on while living my life and trying to get my priorities straight has been a bit of a struggle. So I was eating my feelings one night and I decided I wanted to make some Johnny cakes. Johnny cakes are kind of like a Belizean biscuit, and so I had the majority of my ingredients out except my flour. So I had already put out, or how should I put it? I had already threw my baking powder, my sugar, my salt into a bowl. And then I realized I was a little bit short of the amount of flour that I normally would use. So I kind of just did it anyway and threw the rest of the flour in there in my bowl. And the biscuits, my Johnny cakes, came out a little bit too salty. I mean, I ate them with some guava jam, but I like eating Johnny cake with butter and cheese and avocado, and it's way too salty for anything that isn't sweet. So what I did today was I just kind of made a crust with some of the Johnny cakes. I kind of crumbled them down, saturated them in some butter, some cinnamon, some sugar, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and kind of made like a crust. So it's kind of an inverted apple pie that I'm making. I don't know, it's an experiment. Hopefully it comes out good. I just didn't want to waste food. There's so many starving people out there in the world, and who am I to make a batch of these things and just toss them just cause, when I could use them for something else. So that's what I'm doing. Y'all, that apple pie creation thingy that I made, bomb! It's so freaking good. I'm gonna go back and get another slice because it's so freaking good. It's because the biscuit itself is already super buttery, and then I saturated it in sugar and butter and cream. This is totally non-keto, but I'm enjoying it. This is not something that you make all the time. This is like Thanksgiving type of it, yeah, because it's real, but it's so good. It's so freaking good. Hey guys, so it is Sunday, 5:47, and I am obviously super late to vlogging. This morning we woke up, I made an omelet for him, scrambled eggs for me, just because every Sunday I kind of make the same breakfast. It's always bacon and fried eggs. Anyways, we are so loud as a people. I mean, I'm not bashing us, but we are really loud. Anyways, what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying now. I got so distracted by them literally just talking in the parking lot, but they're loud. Yeah, so I didn't do anything this weekend. This is extremely laid back. I keep looking at these pimples. Y'all, why am I breaking out? Tried a new skincare product. I'm not saying that that's because of, you know, that, but it's just weird to me that I'm breaking out. I'll monitor it though. Anyways, sorry, this angle just has me all the way messed up. I'm out here looking crazy as usual. I don't really care. I have so much stuff that I feel like I need to do, but honestly, in prayer and meditation yesterday, I feel like God was telling me just chill, like just relax. Sorry about the exposure, guys. I honestly feel like God was like, just chill for a second, chill and let me, there we go, much better. Chill and let me handle it. I feel, because I've been asking God for clarity. I wrote a specific prayer, and I feel like in trying to manifest some things, he's like, don't even trip. You know, you trying to do the work, and I know that you're eager to do something, but don't even trip. Like, I got you. It's my turn to do the work. So that's going to be my goal for the next couple weeks, is just to chill. I did get an email in regards to collaborating with a brand that I'm going to respond to tomorrow. But as far as me like being super stressed out about content and you know, what my next move is, I'm just going to take this week to give myself, I don't know, a break, give my brain a break from, you know, trying to figure out what's next and let God talk to me. So yeah, right now I am at Binny's. I'm gonna go in and get a bottle of rum if I haven't mentioned that already. This is the only time that I've actually left the premises of my neighborhood because I haven't done anything. I was supposed to film, but I think I told you guys I burnt myself with the wax. Well, actually it wasn't the wax, it's the way I was warming up the wax. I burnt my fingers. I'll show you guys later what I'm talking about because it really does look bad. And I took that again as a sign, like God said, didn't I just tell you to sit down? You're trying to sit here and have, I really was going to try to do like 3 videos that night. And I was like, you know what? God said, I told you to sit down, and I'm going to give you the perfect opportunity, the perfect timing, just chill. So I didn't do anything this weekend. I'm actually cooking right now. I have my shrimp marinating, my chicken marinating. I'm about to go get this liquor and this cigar real quick for my babes and head back home and finish cooking. So I'll check in with you guys. If y'all have been watching my vlogs for a while, you'll know that back when I used to live in Chicago, parking was really, 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 really hard. Like, emphasis like on really, like it was really, really, really bad. And now that I live in Evanston, I pretty much get easy parking, and it's been amazing. But now I'm so super bougie, like I don't want to park a block away. Mind you, in Chicago I used to have to park blocks away or wait like forever for parking, and now I don't even want to like park 1 block away. Like literally I know I've sat in my parking spot for like, hold on a second, I sat in my parking spot for 5 minutes because somebody was looking for parking and I didn't want to give them my parking spot, so I was just like in my phone pretending not to pay attention because I didn't want to give up my front. You know, like it's right in front of my house. I don't care. But yeah, that's just how it is now. Anyways, let me call my stepdaughter to come down. Once I call her, we're gonna head right back to the house. It really, really, really is just to pick her up, and she lives less than a mile away from us. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just running out the house to pick her up. I'll check in with you guys later.